Turn on Apple CarPlay. We're rolling.
My mom is crying.
We're not taking you hostage.
I know.
He doesn't know that.
Oh, wait. Where are we going, Angelica?
Myrtle Beach.
Fun. Why'd you grab him like that?
He was so squishy. I'm gonna bring Philip, but then I was like,
I'm surprised you weren't. I was gonna bring my weighted blanket. But I was like, that's a little...
I didn't know. Okay. So, like, when I was leaving the house, I was like, should I bring a pillow or should I not bring a pillow? Well, then I was like, I don't want to take up too much.
Yeah, that is trying.
Girl.
Yeah, and then she texted me and she was like, oh, that's so funny. You have 2 bags and I have 4. And I was like, oh, really?
Yeah, it's not a city. I know.
For the vlog. We're in Richmond.
I haven't had a biscuit in so long.
Oh my god, it's his beak.
Oh, okay, now he's just making a mess.
I know. Yeah, her tails are right there.
Yeah, it's literally... Where's that? Oh! Camera spray down if you don't focus. Thank you. Alright.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it wraps all the way in and around.
Yeah.
It's wet.
Beach. 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 Beach.
You know what our job is this week?
Beach. Beach. I'm like Ken. Beach.
Yeah, exactly.
Beach is life. Oh, that's so cool.
Well, what's your job, Beach?
My job is beach. Can you tell it's 4th of July? Oh my god, I love this volleyball court always looks so pretty.
Let's say give it a run. See if we got. If not, we'll get in line.
This is Angelica's recreation of her entering the room. Action.
Oh my god. Wait, can I take this one or that one?
You can have that one. I'll take this one.
I forgot to scream jellyfish.
Oh yeah, jellyfish! You did say that.
Oh, right here?
Oh, so it doesn't connect? Oh man.
Oh man. It's like 3 steps.
Oh what?
You should see.
Oh my god.
Ooh.
That's such a pretty light. Wait, why is it only one light though? That's annoying.
I don't know. Here's the washer dryer.
Washer dryer.
Oh, we have a laundry?
We have a laundry. We have a single laundry. And then this is, that's a locked because it's a work closet. Oh my god, this is really big actually.
The bathroom's over by the chairs.
Oh, look at the kitchen.
This is like a beach house, but concise.
Wow, what a beautiful view.
I know. I thought this was the balcony for a second. I was like, those are trees.
Wow, beautiful. Oh, do we get to watch people? Okay, this is the big lazy river. Okay, I remember this pool. So, across, so this is like your chill pool, right? And then you have your lazy river, and it's pretty big. And then on the other side of that building over there, that's your water park.
And then and fire pits over there.
Whoa.
Hi.
Oh my god.
Heck of a seal.
Yeah. Don't leave it open because there was a lost stop here before. So.
Oh, great.
Just so I know. She's just ready.
It's a chocolate. Oh my god, it's a chocolate. No, it's gross. It's coffee.
I should have brought my beach cup. I got a beach cup at Maybe So, and it's like Snoopy on the beach, and then it's Snoopy up here. And I think I showed it to you.
But yeah, I surprised her with a Snoopy hat
I
because
know,
she was.
I was like, okay, so I saw this hat, and here. And I was like, I was gonna bring a hat, but I didn't have any that fit. And she was like, look. And I love
I
Snoopy.
just went like,
Yeah.
she's like,
I don't know how to close it though. I'm
Oh,
struggling.
girl. Okay. Oh, majestic. So sad. Yeah, and then you pull that.
You do it. Can y'all see? I don't know, but
Okay, good enough. It's not that bad.
it's so cute.
Yay! Oh, this is our personal mirror.
This is a mirror. Hello. Thanks.
Hello.
My mom's gonna be so excited I brought a hat. She was sad that I didn't bring one.
I brought that. I was like, you know what? These are for me, but just in case Angelica would like them. I mean, there's two. We can both wear one.
Yeah. I mean, if you want to wear this one, we can just
Switch you. Cute. What is that? Where'd it go? Oh. Bye, you're never coming back.
No! This is how you swim.
That's scary. Have fun. You got it. Oh. You can just sit on it. Grandma. I don't know. That's fun. Vibing. Oh, the music.
I feel like you should know that I'm scared of water.
The music?
Angie, what did we do today?
We got here. Yeah. And then we went to eat pizza.
Yeah.
And then we went to the grocery store. And then we came back and we went to the pool for like 2 hours.
Yes. Yeah, we just sat there and talked.
Came here and we're like, Angie should meet Kim's family.
Yeah.
So then Angie went upstairs to meet Kim's family. And then we came here and now here we are.
It is 11:30. We're leaving here at 10 a.m. to go to the beach. Which is crazy, but it'll work. Oh my god, I got this little waterproof camera bag. It was so fun. Oh yeah. It's so cute. And it works so well. It has double zippers. I was gonna say more, but I forgot.
So tomorrow we're going to the beach.
Beach, and then I don't know what's after that, because tomorrow's what, Tuesday?
Monday.
Tomorrow's Monday.
Tomorrow's Monday.
Great. So tomorrow's beach day. Hopefully we can get some cool shots. And we'll see what we put together. Good night.
Bye.
What else say?
Bye.
What is this? Oh, girl. This baseball?
1952 WS game?
1950. Yeah, black and white, guys. What? Round and round, wheels on the bus go round and round.
Now we're watching Paw Patrol because that's such a goated show. Except I don't know what's going on. I don't like these people. Anyways, we're trying to figure out how to turn the where's my light? The fan on.
Oh, Disney's on here.
Oh, okay. No, watch your Disney. Watch your Disney.
Well, okay, we'll see what's on.
Okay.
I think it's a lot better than Paw Patrol.